So everybody meet up at C8, right in front of their cap, and then we'll push along that bridge and see which team is stronger. Yes, go to C8.
Oh. I'm diagram this.
We'll have the object line up first, then the T-54, then me. And then everyone else just line up behind that.
Oh my goodness.
Not T3s, no. We're going up to C8 first. After that, you can go do whatever you want.
Archers are ground.
T3 is clear. T3 is clear.
Sparkling. Creepy though. A moment when you wish you had a talk, but you don't, so. You never heard that. You never believe it.
Okay, E100 and Elmer, come back to C8. Come back to C8. We're shoving, we're seeing which team is stronger. You go to C8.
Okay, wait, what tier is the Tango 1?
What? Tiger P, go to the other side of the bridge.
Yes. That's pretty strong. I have a green indicator.
Everybody move out of the way for the Tiger P. I'll be on his side of the bridge and everyone else line up behind me.
Okay. No, you're in front of me, yours.
T-34, line up behind me. Everybody get behind me.
Preferably join. T-54, do stop.
T-34, STG, and Type 34, get behind me.
I have a level so we can get this somewhat ordered.
Line up in a straight line behind me. T-54, back up. The T-34 needs to get behind me of the T-34. Don't push your out, don't push your out. We need to wait for the other helis to get lined up in front of me.
Oh, the STG.
Get at the back of the line, STG. And then Stig 3G, you get behind him. Object, we need you, come on. T-29, we need you, come on.
No, I'm good. Thank you, though.
Don't push yet. Okay, we should have the E100 and the E5 come up and see how well that works at first.
I'm just gonna reverse about.
Or these three and see how well this works. Okay, E100 come up with them. E100.
And he's off.
Yeah, I know, we've lost some. Alright, start pushing everybody.
I think it was planned. Again, I think it was planned, so...
Okay, back up, back up. Now we gotta try to see while it's still alive.
It was fine, just a little bunch.
Me and E100 back up.
Well, we
me and E100 back up.
We were attempting to push, but obviously it didn't work, and we came completely...
Okay, we need the Tiger P on our side now, so if Tiger P could flip around and get
It's
in
only
front of
the
me.
T-34 and burial at sea.
Okay, anyone that was still alive over here pushing with us, come back online.
And get the T-34 out of here. I'm not, because why the heck not?
Type T-34 back up real quick.
Just scooches the T-34 out. What are we doing? Oh my word. What's happening to him? Yeah, I'm not gonna give it too much time though.
Now everybody kill the E100.
Goodness.
Everybody kills the E100.
Hey, what about the E100?
Kill the E100.
Ooh.
Let's see if we can kill the E100.
I'm gonna leave this near the water. Looking at the German waterway, we will now be starting Air Express. I'm down the water for a reason.
I have the E100 kill me. Okay, everyone reset. Reset.